Here's why it's so important to have your documents in order.
I called yesterday from a client, lived down in southern Arizona, and he started off the call and he said, Andrew, I want to thank you. You gave us some good advice last year. I said, well, that feels good. Thank you. I'm glad I gave good advice rather than bad advice. He said, we had bought a home for our son, and our name was on the title with his, but we had purchased it. And you told us, you really shouldn't be on the title together with your son. You should hold that home in your names or in the name of your living trust, and that we could will it to him or leave it to him if we pass away. And I said, yeah, that's right. And he goes, yeah, that was good advice. See, I've got a problem. My sister-in-law, I'm trying to help her, and she lives in Chicago. She's 83 years old, and she moved out to Chicago with the plan that her daughter was going to take care of her. Well, it's been 3 years, and the situation's not working out, and daughter can't take care of her, and she's going to move into independent or probably assisted living for this lady, and she needs to sell her home. That's where her money's at. She's got $300,000 in equity in that home, and she needs the money. But when she bought the home, she put her daughter's name on there with her because, of course, their plan was they were going to live in the home, and daughter was going to take care of her. And her daughter doesn't want to move out. She doesn't agree to sell the home, even though mom's money was the one used to purchase it. Well, I connected him with an attorney that I know in Chicago, and their next move is to file a partition action so that they can force the judicial sale of the property and get mom her money back so she can actually move in and use her own money for her own future needs. And it was just this juxtaposition of my client, thankfully, saying, hey, I recognize that we made a mistake there, but we fixed it. But for my sister-in-law, it's too late. Now she's run into this problem. She never expected this was going to happen. And that's what we want to guard against with estate planning. We don't want to cross our fingers and hope things work out the right way. We want to have a plan in case things fail. That's why we have the plan, in case things don't go the way we intend. So if you have an estate plan, fantastic. If you don't, now's the time to consider getting something into place. Only 1 in 3 people has an estate plan. So statistically, there's some people in this room that don't have one, and you're thinking about it. Yeah, I need to get that done.